Assalamu alaikum. A bidiyon mu na yau za mu yi market review na EURUSD, abinda muke expecting ya faru a kasuwan a satuttukan da za a shiga. Amma kafin nan ina so in yi calling attention ɗinku to wannan level ɗin da muke yanzu, wannan monthly time frame. Kamar yadda jiya na yi magana da na sake video relating to breaker block na nuna cewa breaker blocks ana samun su ne lokacin da market ya yi forming low. Yanzu in kuka duba nan, market ya yi making low ba sai ya making higher high, tunda kun ga candles ɗin sun yi closing above the wicks. Duk da wannan wick ɗin market bai yi closing above it, but we can call this a higher high tunda ya yi closing above the bodies of this low. So this is a higher high. Then what? Market makes a lower low. Inda muka ce ya yi running liquidity kenan, ya yi making lower low. Daga nan sai what? Sai muka samu higher high, wanda this is the higher high the market formed. Sai muka ce da zarar market ya yi forming higher high, me muke nema? Za mu ɗauki last candles in the last up candles in the market ya yi making. Wayanda su ne wayannan candles idan kuka dube su. Wayannan su ne last up candles da market ya yi forming. Ga su daga nan suka fara, ga saman su a nan, ga saman su nan. Sai mu zana, mu yi extending wannan ɗin. Our entry will be there. Kun ga da market ya dawo kuma, we get our entry. Ya dawo wajen around which time? Around December 2021. Sorry, December 2020. Daga nan market ya fara dropping. Kun ga the market keeps on dropping. So let's say mutum ya yi making entrance a daidai wannan wajen. SL ɗinsa a saman can. This is what a person will get. Wannan for position traders kenan. This is around 2,569 pips. 2,569 pips. Kamar da dama na ce position traders suna targeting 1,000, 2,000 pips. So wannan kenan. So yanzu let's go back to our analysis, EURUSD analysis. In kuka duba na yi clearing duk wani wannan chart, na yi clearing duk wani zone da na zana, saboda I want to make the analysis on a fresh. So first idan muka duba, market is moving in a downtrend. Market yana moving a downtrend. Daga nan sai aka samu market ya dan fara retesting. Sai nan kuma we were in a consolidation. Mun fara consolidating a kasuwan ne daga February 2023. The market was ranging March, April, May, June har zuwa yanzu. Har aka shiga new year, market is just in this deep range. So ga range in namun gaba daya. Har mun highlighting range. This is the range. Filter abun. So this is the range. Market yana trading a cikin wannan range. Bai yi breaking, ba a samu candle in da ya closing above this range, but the market is just ranging within this level. So inda kuma kafin a samu wannan range din, although akwai zones in the market ya making, wanda I will make reference to them. So yanzu anan what we are seeing is the market is still in this range, but amma within the range abubuwan da za mu iya observing. Idan kuka duba a nan da market ya pushing ya shiga range din a nan, aka samu bearish market a month of February, bullish market a month of March, wato a lower time frame kenan. April, May bearish, June, July bullish, August, September, October bearish, November, December bullish, January yanzu the market is somehow resuming a bearish one. So anan yanzu in kuka duba first thing first shine mun samu equal highs and equal lows. This is the equal highs the market ya yi forming. Sannan kuma mun zo mun samu equal lows a daidai wannan level din a ƙasan nan mun samu equal lows. Muka ce kuma a lows what reside within equal highs and equal lows? Liquidity. Though market ya yi running liquidity da yake nan yanzu idan kuka duba lows in nan da a ina suke suna a nan ne. Market ya yi running buy side liquidity. This is the buy side liquidity. Market ya yi running buy side liquidity. Dama what do we expect after the market run a buy side liquidity? The market will come back and run the sell side liquidity. Say market ya yi taking out the sell side liquidity. But market pushed to continue in an uptrend but failed a December. So muka samu market ya fara rejecting. Though this candle until it closes shine zai bamu sense of where the market will be heading to. Amma all indication tun yanzu muna last week of January kuma the market is still wannan. Idan in kuka duba analysis da na yi a farkon January na nuna market will continue moving in bullish wannan market zai fita out of this range. So expectation ina da shine instead of this black candle za mu samu green candle da zai closing above here. Da zaran ya yi closing above here, above the range, then it means we will continue moving in an uptrend. But then sai aka samu black candle wanda market ya fara selling off. So it means yanzu the market will target where? The market will likely target the downside. Wanda a downside din kuma first thing we observe here is muna da fair value gap. Muna da fair value gap ana. Sorry, bari in zana shi zuwa nan. Muna da fair value gap. This is a fair value gap. Muna da fair value gap anan da market bai yi filling ɗinsa ba. So bari in canja color, sa normal color na fair value gap in yi filling ɗinsa kuma. So muna da fair value gap anan. So we are expecting the market to come back and fill that fair value gap. So bari in extending ɗinsa zuwa nan. Sorry. This is the fair value gap. So we expect the market to come back and fill this fair value gap. Sannan kuma a ƙasan fair value gap ɗin kuma immediately ƙasansa muna da order block. Wannan shine last down candle before the up move. Last down candle before the up move. What do we have here? Muna da order block. Muna da bullish order block a ƙasan fair value gap ɗinmu. So we expect the market to come back and fill this order block. Given that in market ya fita range din nan ta ƙasa kenan, and all indication is showing that the market will move down and break this thing, fill the fair value gap, and then we can continue in our uptrend. So wannan shine a monthly time frame ɗinmu. So abinda muka yi observing kenan a monthly time frame ɗinmu. So now yanzu tunda mun identifying PD arrays ɗinmu mun yi identifying discount arrays ɗinmu, which is muna da order block, fair value gap a discount level. So let's delete this and then let's move to weekly time frame. Sai mu ga me muke gani a weekly time frame. So this is the weekly time frame. So kamar yadda kuke gani a weekly time frame, first mun samu market yayi pushing in an uptrend, yayi retest, yayi breaking high din nan, ya sake retesting, ya ƙara creating another high, daga nan kuma sai aka samu lower low, wanda idan anan ma muka duba shi za mu iya making reference ɗinsa to what? To a breaker block, because we have a high, a low, a higher high, a lower low. So what do we observe? What do we get? Daga nan idan kuka duba, I like how this concept is repeating itself. We can mark this place, though ba zan iya isa samansa ba. Perfect entry level. daidai wannan level ɗin, perfect entry level, then we expect the market to continue pushing har ya shiga wannan. So in kuka duba concept ɗinmu na weekly yayi agreeing da concept ɗinmu na monthly that we will move in a downtrend, saboda mun samu breaker block anan, mun samu breaker block anan, saboda kamar yadda dama na faɗa muku breaker block yana faruwa ne idan aka samu high low, higher high, lower low, and then this is a bearish breaker block. Da bullish breaker block ne kuma shi kuma dama zai fara da low high lower low, ya kamata sai nan ya zama higher high, but we start with this high. This is the high, then the low, then the higher high. In ma muka ɗauki wannan, this is the high, this is the low, this is the higher high, but nan bai yi making lower low, so ba za mu using wannan level ɗin as high ɗinmu ba. So we take this level, this is the high, this is the low, this is the higher high, and this is the lower low. From here then our entry will be around the last up candle before down this thing, which is up candles, which are these candles. Market kuma ya dawo perfectly, yayi testing level in. Then what do we expect? We expect the market to continue pushing in a downtrend. In the wayannan lows din zamu treating din su. Yanzu nan market ma yayi forming equal low anan, an samu equal lows anan, and this equal lows will serve as what? As liquidity. So bari in zana su. These are the equal lows da muka samu. Bari mai da column, mai da column ya dawo ja. So these are the equal lows we have. So we expect the market to come and clear them as a liquidity. Amma kafin nan akwai liquidity level ma a wannan level ɗin. We expect the market to break it. So wannan shine a weekly time frame. So weekly time frame din mu yana agreeing da monthly time frame. Then from weekly, then we move to daily time frame. Sorry, we move to daily time frame. So me muke gani a daily time frame? The market makes this is a high, market makes a higher high. Bari mu ga a daily time frame za mu samu breaker block ɗinmu. This is a high, this is a low, this is a higher high, but then we have to get a lower low kafin mu nemi breaker block ɗinmu anan. But even with that, yanzu anan idan kuka duba, as the market makes this high anan yanzu, this is the last up candle before this down move. Wannan za mu iya using ɗinsa as what? As an order block. Wa'annan levels ɗin tunda market ya making equal highs anan, za mu iya making ɗinsu as what? As liquidity levels. But unfortunately, our overall, our higher time frame institutional order flow ya nuna the market is bearish, is not bullish. Kuma again, yanzu wannan big move da market ya making, shi ma dole akwai order block da market ya yi leaving, wanda order block din anan ne ke. This is the order block. Gashi nan. We have an order block here. And market bai yi mitigating wannan order block din ba. And since the market did not mitigate the bullish order block, we expect the market to mitigate it. In ma zai moving nan, ya yi mitigating bearish order block din mu, dole sai ya yi mitigating bullish order block. And this is the last down candle before the up move. So we expect the market to move here. Za a dan samu reaction at the day level din nan. Kafin maybe market ya dan yi pushing, clearing this liquidity, dipping into this order block, and then continuously moving into our discount level higher time frame din mu. So this is an order block that we marked. We expect the market to move. But then we should not forget about the order block too. So shi ma bari marka shi for reference purposes. So bari mai da shi blue. So this is our bearish order block, this is our bullish order block. So the market we expect the market to move between this range, either to the bullish order block or to the bearish order block. A cikin wayannan guda biyu, the market will move into one of them coming Monday. wannan a daily time frame din mu kenan. So from daily ni I don't like going to 4 hour or this thing. I like to move straight to 15-minute time frame. Though looking at the 4 hour time frame too will be an important factor. So bari mu duba 4 hour time frame din. So idan kuka duba a 4 hour time frame din mu, za mu iya cewa wannan breaker block ne. Market ya making low, ya making high, but it failed to make the lower low. So this is not a breaker block. So yanzu a 4 hour time frame abunda nake expecting is this wannan range. The market traded in this range. Market ya yi trade a cikin wannan range. Bari mu change color. The color is not appearing. The market traded in this range. So expectation dina, this is what will give us an idea as to whether market zai reaching into bearish order block din or bullish order block. Shine yanzu idan aka samu ranar Monday candle din da ya fara forming din nan, this candle idan yayi closing above this level, above this range, so we expect the market to continue moving in an uptrend. But as far as the market did not close above this range, then we can expect the market to move in a downtrend, to continue moving down up to breaker block din, up to order block din, bullish order block din. Sannan again this wannan za mu iya using ɗinsa as in har aka samu candle din da ya closing above here, above this level, so this can serve as a breaker block. How? This is a low. Be observing the bodies, not the wicks. Wicks kawai suna serving as a liquidity grab. This is a low. This is a high. This can be a lower low because body na candles in sun yi closing below the bodies of these candles. So this can be a lower low. So as soon as the market close above here, minimum samu higher high din mu. Idan muka samu higher high, what do we expect the market to do? Sai mu highlighting wannan level din. Mu highlighting wa'annan last up candles. In har maybe idan yayi closing, in yayi closing zai kai har irin wannan level din, for example, or here. So this will be our sorry. Deleting. So wannan level zai yi serving as our higher high, for example. Assuming that the market close above here again, this will serve as our higher high. So idan muka samu higher high din mu, this is the range da muke expecting market ya dawo, then we will have our entry within this level. And our stop loss, yanzu bari maka shi har kasan wick ne. Our stop loss will be below here. Our stop loss will be around here. And then our TP will be, we can take our partials above these liquidity levels, and then the remaining TP zai zama yana har saman nan. So it means yanzu idan muka dauki entry, for example, a middle of this, our TP will be here, complete TP. Za mu taking partial profit, and then the remaining profit will be around here. That means that will give us 153 pips, while our stop loss idan daidai nan ne zai zama 25 pips, and then 150 pips. So that's a nice risk to reward ratio. So wannan abun da muke expecting kenan. So our entry on 15-minute time frame will depend on range din nan, sai mu ƙara refining ɗinsa. For example, idan yanzu bari koma 4 hour in yi deleting wannan level din na. So a 15-minute idan har muka samu market ya making higher high din nan, meaning yayi closing above, bari in rage wannan, in muka samu market ya making higher high, yayi closing above those levels, then our entry criteria this thing a 15-minute time frame will be, za mu iya marking this level as our bearish order block, wanda shi kan it has been mitigated. So this level will be our entry level, and our stop loss will be around here. This is where we'll put our stop loss. So idan muka ɗauki entry mu, daga entry mu zuwa stop loss din mu, that will give us 8 pips or 9 pips. So that is a very very refined level. Kuma ko da mun taking ɗinsa maybe below the level, mun saka SL din mu anan, that will be 22 pips, or maybe this level, that will be 17 pips. So 15-minute time frame is about more refinement in terms of our level, but this will all depend on the market closing above the high. In by you closing bar, then we will continue to look for a bearish one da yana agreeing the institutional order flow din mu na weekly da monthly time frame. So wannan shine analysis din mu na euro USD. Kamar yadda kuka gani, na yi dissecting ɗinsa piece by piece from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, wanda abunda za mu yi magana a kansa in details kenan idan muka zo abin da ya shafi top down analysis. Bayan mun gama concept na ICT gaba ɗaya, mun isa last aspect, wato shine top down analysis. So wannan shine abin da muke expecting a kasuwan euro USD a satin da za a shiga, da kuma likely har zuwa February, tunda yanzu January zai kare a wannan satin.